Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to use my 1968 cookbook called Farm Journal Cooking for Company to make another vintage recipe. This time we're making Colorado Sloppy Joes. Let's go. Alright, this recipe calls for shortening, which I never cook with, but I wanted to keep true to the original recipe. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of shortening. I just do not like the texture of it, but it'll be fine. And we'll get that started on a high heat to get it nice and melted. Okay, then it calls for 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now this is about 2.5 pounds, so we'll just add some of it. And then we'll go in with my favorite kitchen tool, which is this meat chopper. So we're gonna let this meat get nice and browned, and then we'll start adding other things. I love that this is in the section called Recommended for Hungry Boys. So hopefully my hungry husband will like this. It's just funny how these old cookbooks are a little different from today. All right, now it says to go in with our veggies, and that's 1 stalk of celery, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 onion, all finely chopped. So we'll add all of our good veggies in there. And I realized that I grabbed my small pan instead of my large one, so we're going to transfer it just because I don't want a huge mess. Alright, it says let this simmer until the veggies are cooked. So we'll turn our heat down a little bit and just keep stirring. Okay, it says after the veggies are tender, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to go in with 1 can of tomato soup, condensed. Half of an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I think that's about half. 1 cup of ketchup. 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard. Now this did say that this was optional, but I like mustard. Then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 1 tablespoon of celery seeds, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour, which I'm going to mix in after I get all this mixed together so I don't get clumps. So we're just going to give this a nice gentle stir. Definitely glad I switched pans. The other one would have been way too small. Alright, so now I'm going to sprinkle in our 2 tablespoons of flour. This is going to help thicken it and make it nice and saucy. Okay, now it says just to cook it slowly for an hour, so I'm going to turn it down to a medium-high heat, and we'll just kind of let this bubble away, kind of stirring it occasionally. I'm not sure if it's really going to need an hour, but like I said, I want to follow the recipe as true as I can, so we'll let this go for an hour. Okay, it has been an hour, it's been about an hour and a half, and this has really reduced, but it is so greasy from all the shortening and the fat from the ground beef already that I'm going to try and just soak up some of this grease because we really don't want to eat all of that. So we'll just kind of pat this with a paper towel and soak up quite a bit. Oh, so much. Look at that. I really shouldn't have used the shortening because I didn't use lean ground beef, so that's on me. There we go. That is much better. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and give it a final stir, and then we will get dinner going. We're going to serve this on some hamburger buns, and I'll probably heat up some broccoli or corn or both to get some more veggies in here. But this smells really good, so we're going to try it. Alright, let's go ahead and dish this out. We'll just do a nice big scoop. My husband likes his with a slice of cheese melted over the top, so I'll do that for him. I didn't have sliced, but I did have shredded, so that's what we'll do tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.